Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. I'm back again with a very interesting recipe today for you. This is Korean stuffed buns. They're very easy to make and they're very delicious as well. Super quick, believe me. Now you can use store-bought ready-made buns to make this, or you can make buns and bake them from scratch at home. I have used store-bought burger buns. They're the ones I usually use because that makes me get this dish ready very quickly for an evening dinner with soup. They taste awesome. The filling for these is cream cheese paste. Now let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram. To make these stuffed Korean buns, you need 4 buns, of course, some cream cheese, fresh cream, honey, fresh or dried mixed herbs, parsley or coriander fresh leaves, salt, and a garlic butter glaze, which I will tell you ahead in the recipe how to make. We'll begin by making the filling for our buns. For that, take a big bowl, put in your cream cheese. Let that cream cheese be at room temperature to begin with. Now you need to beat this. You can use an electric beater or a spoon or a handheld whisk. The idea here is to make it fluffy and creamy and smooth. Once that is done, pour in the cream and the honey and mix it well again thoroughly. You can see here how creamy now this mixture is. Now in go the dried herbs and the fresh herbs. I've used fresh parsley here. You can also use green coriander leaves if you have those, or even mint to add flavor. I'm going to put this into a piping bag because that will make it very easy for me to fill the buns. We need to make our garlic butter glaze, which will go on the top of our buns. This glaze is very simple, very versatile, and it takes your stuffed buns to another level altogether. Take melted butter, add in some crushed garlic, some fresh herbs, an egg, and a little bit of honey. If you don't eat egg, you can skip adding it. Whisk it nice and well till everything is combined into a nice lovely glaze, and then keep it aside. Onto the buns now. To prep your buns, take a bun, make a slit in it halfway through the center, but take care that you should not slit it all the way through. So the base of the bun should be together, it should stay intact. The slit will only be on the top half of the bun. Then slit it on the other half. The first was vertical, this one is horizontal, and if you want, you can also make 2 diagonal slits the same way. So these sections that you see here are the places in which we're going to fill our cream cheese filling. Once all of your buns are prepped, take the piping bag with the cream cheese filling and start filling each slit like this, as you can see here. The same way you're going to fill up all of your buns. So look at this bun now, looks cute, doesn't it? If you're not a fan of a lot of filling inside your buns, you can just slit them twice like here. Once all of your buns are ready and filled, take a baking tray and line it with a piece of parchment or non-stick paper. Take out that glaze. Now because the weather here was cold when I made this, my butter has again solidified. Don't worry, it's all going to go inside the oven and get melted all over again. You can either dunk these buns into the glaze, or you can take some glaze and coat them with a spoon on the top side. You can also place a little bit of this glaze at the spot where you're going to place your bun to bake, because it's going to give an extra butteriness to your buns. And then in this goes for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. You will know when they're done because they'll be all golden and beautiful from the top. So here are our buns ready, hot out of the oven. They taste really good with a hot cup of soup or with a beverage, even as a snack or a starter, a great party snack as well. Do go ahead and make this. Let me know how yours turned out. Till next time, bye bye and enjoy.